Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Geeta Singh. So today's video is for beginners who want to be fluent in English but they little confused like from where do I begin? There are many things like grammar, vocabulary, tenses, sentence structure. So they little confused. So I will make that first step simple for you and I will tell you my top tips to help you learn English. Okay, so let's get started. My first tip is learn common words first. Okay, the most popular words in English. There are many, but I will suggest 50 common words, the action verbs. I will give you the screen here. You can take the screenshot. Okay. So these are almost 50 common words I would recommend to learn. These are verbs and arranged in alphabetical order. So what should you learn first? Learn action words, most common action words in English. Most English sentences have one of these verbs. They are the most common words or verbs in English. So take the screenshot and start to learn. My second tip is you don't need perfect grammar. Okay? Many people make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. So you need to find your mistakes and work on that. You will improve gradually. Most of the people make mistakes and still we can understand them. So you don't need perfect grammar. Okay? My third tip is 12 verb tenses. You need to learn 12 verb tenses. So I will suggest the first three: simple present, simple past, and simple future. So you need to learn these three of them first. Okay? Simple present, for example, on Monday I work. Simple past means yesterday. I worked. Simple future, it means tomorrow I will work. So these three you need to learn first, then you can learn other. My fourth tip is when you start learning English, it's difficult to listen. Okay, so you need to start listening in very short period of time. Okay, very short amount of time. I will not recommend you that you need to listen large amount of time, like movies are about 2 hours, so it can be difficult for you to listen. So you can start with very short amount of time. It is good listening and it is good for you. Okay, it is good to start. My fifth tip is start English for your life. Okay, start with English that is important for your life. The English for your life might be different than the English for my life. So, for example, think about your family words, the work words, the routine words, the weather words. Okay, for example, family words: mother, father, daughter, sister, uncle, aunt. So, like these words. What words are important in your family? Work words. What words do you need to use for your work? So, you need to work on that. And the routine words. What's your routine and what words do you need to complete, to communicate for your routine? Like, do you brush your teeth? Do you watch TV? From where you start your day and where you end your day, the complete routine. What words do you need to your routine? And weather words. It's very common to learn about weather. We generally commonly use the weather words. So you need to learn these as well in English. We talk about the weather a lot. Okay, so I recommend learning these weather words, like it's very cold today, it's hot, and learn the words that is meaningful to your life. Okay, so my last tip is practice every day at least 10 minutes. Okay, you need to review every word, every new word what you learn. Okay, practice makes you perfect. If you want to learn a new word, you need to review that word. You need to see that word many times. Okay, so need to review often all the words what you learn every day. If you learn a new word today, you need to review it next day. Test yourself. So this is the best way to learn a new word. So these are all my top tips what I want to suggest the beginners. I hope this will help you a lot. If this video is helpful for you, do like, subscribe and share to others. Till then, take care and bye bye.